Did you get in?
You never believed in me. You said, why try?
I can't read that. Let me get my glasses.
I knew she couldn't read it.
Okay, dear Jen, congratulations. Okay. Next step complete. Blah blah blah. Yeah. Good job, Jen.
You're waiting for me.
Are you going to tell Daddy? You have to tell Daddy.
What happened? But didn't hear you.
Where is it?
Read for what? I got in.
He said good job.
I literally think I just got in because other people are too poor right now to go to school. This is a 30K program. Who has money for that? School's a scam.
All I'm saying is you got it. That's great. That's awesome.
Yeah, see? Confirm payment. Exactly. Secure funding. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, what's up? I'm in here. Hello?
Well, I guess that's a great way to start off the video.
Why are we here? We literally look like Oompa Loompas.
It's because of the lighting. We can't use the natural light because the window's over there.
And the world exploded last night when Saturn and Jupiter collided to make that star. And people make fun of 2010, the year we made contact, when that's exactly what happened. We got 2 stars. Except it was just Jupiter exploding, not Saturn.
We're gonna do the intro up here. What's wrong?
Nothing!
Oh, okay, and then we'll do the conclusion downstairs when we try it.
Are we trying it today?
Are we not supposed to try it today?
Yeah, we can.
Can you stop? Why do you always lick?
What? You didn't even do the intro. What are we trying? We didn't tell them anything.
So today, Jen and I are cooking in Jen's bedroom.
That's not nice.
Okay, what are we cooking? Get off your phone!
Why do I have to tell them?
Because it's your special day. This is your day.
No, it was for the Christmas theme, and none of us even like ginger, but it is Christmas time. So, commence. Next clip. We're making a gingerbread cheesecake with pecan crust.
Alright, so, yeah.
Cut. Creeks. It's so blurry.
Is it?
It's backwards. What?
I don't know what to say anymore.
Alright, well, that's as good as that's going to get. For now, dude. How do you want to film this part?
Okay, I'm coming. What?
What? You didn't know there was a thing there?
No, I didn't know. I thought it was in frame. Did you move it?
Maybe. I don't know. Hello? Oh no, the blade came up.
I remember Dad did that once. It can. It fits perfectly.
How? It's not going on. Yeah, see?
Hold on.
No, that's not the problem.
Okay. Now you can.
No, you go.
Okay, I'll go.
Julian would have got a good shot of that.
Yeah, but he does not work as quickly as you. Hi.
Oh my god, that's so much butter. Whatever, go. Mix it.
You saw it in the bowl before I even. You make me so sad. I mean, like, it's not bad.
But you need more, right? Is it too wet? Oh no, actually.
No, it's not that wet.
Are you gonna film the intro of you introducing all the ingredients after?
I'm not introducing any ingredients.
Why?
It depends.
Because you don't know what's going on.
No, but like, are we filming like a dad cooking in Jen or
No,
like?
but you always do that.
No, I don't.
Yeah, you want to bet it?
Yeah, show me. Show me my channel. How's that?
That's fine. Looks a little uneven on one side, doesn't it?
Like,
Yeah, exactly.
you wanna look at my finger?
No, actually, sure.
I thought it was gonna be something else.
Oh shoot, I forgot the sugar.
That's why.
But it tastes good.
It does. Hello? I forgot the sugar. Alright.
Mix up.
Because yesterday I learned about grocery shops, and then today you asked about eggs. So then I told her, look how we're asking her all these questions.
Yeah, so.
Now she's replying.
Oh my god, I made such a mess. Who does this? Ew. You want to try? Okay.
It's not that bad.
Yes, it is. It's like a bad soy sauce. Okay, excuse me. We're gonna need to Google more recipes with molasses.
Yeah.
I made a mess on the box just a little bit. So.
Looks so cool though.
Yeah, yeet.
I hate ginger.
Oh. But it's the number one thing to fight the Illuminati with. That's too much. I don't care. What the heck? You weren't recording when I was putting all that in?
Hello?
You didn't hit
It's
record.
on right now.
No, you didn't hit record.
I did. I did.
You blowed me too much.
This is like peanut butter.
That's what it is. Ooh. Hello?
Nothing.
You dropped it in, didn't you?
No, it broke. Little pieces broke.
Okay. Then mix it up. It smells good and bad at the same time.
Also, Jen poked her fingers in the pie. Stop! In the cheesecake, I mean.
I think the only thing that will make it taste good is ice cream.
Ice cream? Are you gonna eat in a bowl then?
I don't know yet.
Okay. I gotta get the pecans to put on top.
Oh, I'm not putting pecans on mine.
I know, but I gotta put on theirs.
It smells like a gingerbread, so that's good.
That's good.
Gingerbread cookie?
Gingerbread cookie, yeah.
Definitely won't make it again.
Because you don't like ginger.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, but I like gingerbread actually, that's a lie. That's fine.
I like it. It's actually pretty good. But yeah, Jen said off camera that the crust was not very successful.
Oh yeah, there's like no crust. I don't know what happened.
But I mean, it isn't bad. Taste-wise, pretty good.
Maybe it should have been more fine and maybe more butter. I don't know.
More butter after you were complaining that I put too much. It kind of just mixed together.
Yeah, that's all like this.
Yee. So we're gonna end the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. You're very loud. Okay, if you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. What should they comment?
Gingerbread man.
Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And until next time, we'll see you later. Hi, Dad. Do you want your dessert?
Yeah.